my channel and welcome to our house. I can't believe I'm saying this, but yes, we bought our first house. This is so unreal and I still can't believe it, but I couldn't have imagined doing this with anybody else. We're so happy, so excited, and so grateful that we're able to do this at our age and stage in our life. We're so thankful for everyone who's helped us throughout this process. Our parents and our families obviously have been supporting us since day one, and our amazing realtor Tanya has helped us throughout this entire process and made this happen. But we're here, we closed today, and we got our keys. I could probably go on and say how happy and excited we are for another half an hour, but I'm not gonna do that. And instead, we're gonna give you guys an empty house tour. But before that, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you want to come along with us on this journey of us moving, settling in, and make this place our own. There's going to be so many makeover and DIY videos coming up, and I cannot wait. I'm so excited, and let's get started. Welcome to our house. Hey guys. So this is the entryway. This is obviously the front door that you came through. And so this is our landing, and we're probably gonna put like a small entry table over here so we can drop our keys and all that. But we'll figure it out because we don't want to block the staircase and stuff. Over here we have our coat closet. It's pretty big. And also really tall doors, which I love. We already have obviously some stuff. We brought some stuff with us. And yeah, that's an amazing size coat closet. And then we're gonna come into our living room, which we've already made a mess. And I love this open floor plan of this house because we can just hang out here, have our friends and family, and even just us, and just not be closed off. So this is our living room, and the TV is probably going to go there, and our couch, and a coffee table. We'll figure it out, but that's where the TV is going to go. And I love how there's so many windows in this house, especially downstairs. It just brings so much natural light in, which it's 4 o'clock right now, 4 p.m., and it's still pretty bright in here. So I love that. And so we're going to come in our dining room area. We're so excited to finally get a proper dining table. We haven't had one for the past year, and it's going to be so nice to again just host and have family and friends over. And I'm thinking like a cool like bar area over here. I'm not quite sure what we're going to do, but like a bar and maybe like a cool feature wall over here, and then just a nice dining table. This is our kitchen. Obviously, there's this island here, and then, you know, just your normal kitchen. It is a little outdated with the cabinets and like these like countertops, and all the appliances are a little dated and white, but it's totally fine. We actually love that this house is not completely remodeled, because we want to do our own touches on it down the line, not now. Maybe in a year or two, we can remodel and do whatever we want and make it exactly to our taste. So we're super excited about that. But it's still plenty of room in here, plenty of cabinets, and it came with all the appliances, so that's really nice. I'm not going to go into appliances because it's not really exciting. But yeah, we have this, I don't know, is this like a butcher block island?
I think so.
Yeah. So yeah, we have this. There's like some shelves down here. Lysol wipes because we're still in a pandemic. So we have that here handy. And oh, exciting part. Our big pantry. If you guys have seen my previous pantry makeover, we have like a similar size pantry. This is like so much bigger. So we're probably gonna add some shelves and then just add stuff that we don't really use on a day-to-day basis up there. But there's gonna be another pantry makeover video coming out. In the meantime, make sure to check the other one out. I'll leave a link up here and also in the description box for you guys. But before we go upstairs, I want to show you guys the patio outside, and then also the garage, and then we can head upstairs. So, we have a little patio out here, which we're super excited about. It's probably going to be a little louder down here, but come on out. This is our patio. It's plenty of room for our existing patio furniture. We're gonna have like a barbecue set up here, and we might build like a pergola type thing. We're not quite sure yet, so we're gonna have to figure it out. But again, there's gonna be so many room makeovers and all that coming up, and I'm just like so excited. We're gonna be like building a bunch of stuff, and we can't wait to hang out here and make some really delicious barbecue. Well, you're gonna make some delicious food. I'm just gonna hang out.
I'm gonna try.
But yeah, this is our patio, and I kind of like that there's already like these like trees for like privacy and stuff like that. But we're definitely gonna make it a little more private and make it a room. So let's head back inside. Let's head to the garage, guys. We're gonna go out here. There's not much to show you guys, but it's just a garage, and we have our washer dryer hookup here. So we have to buy, which is perfect. And I think down the line, like I might want to like put some sort of door or like one of those sliding doors here and add some shelves for more storage. But for right now, it's perfect, and we're excited for the washer dryer. So we have a half bath downstairs. It's kind of compact. You know, it's just your standard, I'm not gonna go all the way in. Your standard half bath. We have a small sink, and the toilet is back here. You know, nothing crazy, but it's so nice to have this downstairs for when people are over, so they don't have to go upstairs and use the bathroom. So that's super nice. And then I'm gonna go upstairs. Up the stairs, and we have this landing here, which I'm thinking I'm gonna put my big 5,000 piece puzzle here and like have this like grand like entrance to the upstairs. And there's this like giant window here, which I absolutely love because it brings so much natural light into the stairs. I don't like when the stairs are like dark and weird, so I just love this window. I think I'm just gonna leave it open and no curtains, but just love that. So we're upstairs now, and we have, this is so exciting, we have this closet, which is so random, but it's huge in here, and it just gives us even more storage for, I don't know, I'm thinking like just like decor items or just like random stuff, but it's just really nice to have this extra storage. So, all upstairs is just the rooms. And by the way, this is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath house. And it's a little over 1,500 square feet, so just for reference. So the first room down here is our master, which is so big. We are so excited for this master bedroom. It's just so big. So much bigger than what we have right now. And we are probably gonna put our king bed over here and the nightstands, and I'm thinking like a cool left seat or like 2 chairs with like a little TV setup over here, and maybe like some decor in the corner. But yeah, it's super exciting. It's so big and so bright, and I love it. And the ceiling fan, which I'm not a fan of ceiling fans, but we'll see. So we're gonna go into the master bathroom. Love this. Just the master bedroom, bathroom, and closet, I think was the biggest selling point to both of us of this house. Well, a lot of things, also downstairs and open layout, but like this is so cool. Like it's so big. We have a separate shower and a tub, which I'm so excited about. And then this huge window, which obviously we have to put some sort of like privacy, like those like peel and stick stuff on there. But it's so amazing to have this like natural light coming in. And then obviously the double sinks, which is perfect. We have been wanting that for the longest time. Here is the master closet. It's so big and it's gonna fit all of our stuff, both of our clothes and shoes and everything. And we're gonna do some like custom shelving, I think, down the line, and maybe put a dresser and whatever else. I'm not really sure. And definitely change this light up because it's kind of dark in here. But I love this closet. It's so much space, and if we ever run out of space for our stuff, that just means we have too much stuff. Follow me. Turn the lights off. Save energy, guys. This is the first room, which is probably going to be like a guest room, maybe a game room. We're not really sure what we're gonna do with this, but again, the same, like just so much natural light like the rest of the house, and I just personally love natural light. I just love it so much, and I just fell in love with this house because any room just has so much light. Anyways, this is still a really good sized room. It's pretty big and it like fits a queen size bed, I think, like really easily. But yeah, we're not quite sure what we're gonna do with this one. Probably a guest room. Steven wants it as a game room, he can have it. I have no problem with that. And then, yeah, it just has like a normal, you know, closet, like sliding doors, but it's just perfect for extra storage. So. And then, this is going to be my office, which I am so excited about, to have my own office slash craft room slash filming room slash whatever I want to do. I'm going to be in here. And it's going to be so nice for me to have my designated area, because right now it's just my stuff is all over the place and it's so inconvenient. So I'm so excited about this room, and it's probably going to be the first room that I try to tackle to decorate, because I spend so much time in here just working from home and then just working on my videos and my crafts and DIYs and all that. And I love the floors in here because if I ever like make a mess, it's so much easier to clean. This room is also bigger than the one that we were just in, so it just gives me a little bit more room to work with. Again, so much natural light, and I'm not quite sure what I want to do. Probably like a good like storage system, also like a cool, cute little display, and then my computer desk, and then like a craft desk. But we'll see. You guys will see. And then again, this one has like a normal closet. Yeah, nothing like crazy, but it's just nice to have it, and maybe I can hide like the ugly stuff like filming equipment and all that in here. And ceiling fan's probably gonna go and then replaced with a cute chandelier in here. But yeah, I am so excited about this room. And then the last space in the house is going to be the second full bath. It has a shower, top combo, and this normal, you know, vanity. Definitely gonna change this mirror out, but we most likely won't be using this bathroom ourselves a lot, so this might be one of the last rooms that gets renovated. But I just love that, again, there's just like a big window in here. I just love all the windows. I can't get over them. And it's kind of nice. It looks down to our patio. I don't know if I'm ever in this bathroom and want to check out what's going on downstairs. But yeah, this is the last room of the house. And what do I say here? We're just so excited that we're here. It's felt like it's such a long process. We actually had a pretty short escrow, but every day I just was like, oh my God, just give us the keys already. But it's finally here. We're here. We're gonna move within the next 2 weeks and just try to settle in. But I'm gonna take my time to try to design and decorate each room. So make sure to stay tuned for all of that. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!